Rice roll comes from Guandong traditional snack. We have pan fried, deep fried, and steam, and we choose pan fried because when we do pan fried, outside is crispy and inside soft and also juicy. We have soy sauce rice roll and sweet hot chili rice roll. Also, we have sesame peanut sauce rice roll. We have 3 different flavors of deep fried chicken. We use the chicken drumstick, it's boneless. We have garlic mayo sauce, and also we have sweet hot chili and salt and pepper. The most popular one is garlic mayo because it's homemade sauce. Our chicken recipe comes from Taiwan. We come in small pieces, and inside is crispy and juicy and easy to bite it. We also have deep fried oyster. We cook oyster about 3 minutes, and with the homemade garlic sauce, we can put the sauce on top or on side. I created this shop with my husband almost 6 months, and we come here every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We open at 5 p.m. until 10 p.m. We normally prepare our food at 3 p.m. We will went to Coast LD to boil some chicken, vegetable, and some sauce, and we cook the sauce at this shop. And we have some homemade sauce, garlic mayo sauce, peanut butter, soy sauce. We are GUAGUA Snacks. If you want to eat deep fried chicken, rice roll, come to Arling Night Market. We wait for you.